In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import clips on CapCut PC. If you're ready to begin editing but you're not sure how to bring your video files, screen recordings or graphics into your project, don't worry. This process is very simple, and once you do it a couple of times, it becomes second nature. I'm going to walk you through it clearly so you know exactly where to click and what to expect on screen. To get started, head over to the top left corner of the CapCut interface. This is where you'll find the main workspace options. Move your cursor there and click on the Media tab. This is the section where CapCut stores and displays the files you want to use in your project. After that, look just beneath it for the row of submenu options and make sure Local is selected. When Local is highlighted, you're looking at your current project's file bin, which is the area where imported media will appear. Once you're in the right place, move your cursor into the center of the empty dark grid area. If your project is brand new, this space will usually look clean and empty, which makes it easy to spot the next button. In the middle, you'll see a large white import icon with a plus sign on it. Click that once. This opens your computer's file browser window, giving you access to the folders and media saved on your PC. From here, browse to the folder that contains the clips or assets you want to use. This could be screen recordings, video clips, images, or other graphics for your project. Select the files you want to bring into CapCut, then click Open. As soon as you do that, CapCut imports the files into your project automatically. After the import is complete, you'll see your media appear inside the panel as thumbnail cards. This is helpful because it gives you a quick visual preview of everything you've loaded in. Your clips are now fully available inside the workspace and ready to be dragged directly into the timeline whenever you want to start editing. That's all there is to it. You've successfully gone through the top left media section, opened the local file area, used the import button, and loaded your files into CapCut in just a few clicks. Once your clips are visible in the media panel, you're all set to move on to the editing stage.